Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Maisara binti Muhammad Azmira. My matric number is A21A2871. I will present about my company during internship, which is Perbadanan Nasional Berhad Pernas. Okay, now I will present about backgrounds of a Pernas company. Okay, Perbadanan Nasional Berhad PNS, previously known as Pernas, was established on 29 November 1969. In September 1996, the government-owned company was privatized through a buyback by its managers, which saw selected assets taken over by Pernas International Holdings Berhad. As a result, a new acronym PNS was introduced. PNS operates its new business activities from its office Putra Word PWTC KL with a authorized capital of around RM 1 billion and a paid-up capital RM 751 million. The Ministry of Finance incorporates it is largest shareholders, and PND operates under the purview of a Ministry of Entrepreneur and Cooperative Development. With its many years of experience and vast resource, PNS has been a driving force behind the new economic policy, which aims to increase the economic participation of Malays in the economy. Next is scope of exposure. Firstly is recruitment and selection process. During my internship at Pernas, in the HR department, I had the opportunity to gain first-hand experience in the recruitment and selection process, which are critical components of HR functions. This process involves identifying staffing needs, extracting suitable candidates, and selecting the best individuals fill vacancy. One of the first things I learned was how job vacancies are created based on department requirements and workforce planning. I observed how HR collaborates with various departments to draft job description that clearly outline roles, responsibility, and qualification needed for each position. Secondly is performance management system. I was exposed to the practical working of the performance management system, which is essential in evaluating and improving employee performance. I gained valuable knowledge on how performance is monitored, assessed, and enhanced within a corporate environment. One key area I learned about was the use of key performance indicators, which is KPIs. I observed how different KPIs are set for various departments based on their functions, and how performance data is tracked throughout the year. Thirdly is HR to Easy system. I was trained to use HR to Easy system, a cloud-based human resource information system, HRIS, that plays a key role in managing employee data, payroll, attendance, and other HR functions. This system allowed me to gain practical experience in digital HR operations and understand the importance of efficiency and confidentiality in managing HR records. Next is contribution to Pernas company. Firstly, enhancing recruitment efficiency. During my internship at Pernas, I actively contribute to improving the efficiency of the recruitment process within the HR department. I collaborate with the HR team to screen and shortlist candidates based on specific job requirements, which significantly reduce the initial screening time and ensure that only qualified applicants progressed. I also manage interview scheduling and follow up between candidates and hiring managers, which enhance communication and minimize delays in the hiring timeline. Secondly is improving HR documentation and filing system. Secondly, improving HR documentation and filing system. I participate in updating employee record, organizing HR documents, and digitizing manual files. This improves data accessibility and compliance with internal audit standards, contributing to better HR operational efficiency. Thirdly is supporting employee engagement activities. I contribute to organizing and coordinating employee engagement initiatives such as internal events, wellness programs, and training workshops. These activities help foster a positive work culture and improve and collaboration within the organization. Next is suggestions for improvement in Pernas company. Firstly is digitalization for HR process. Some HR functions still rely partially on manual or semi-digital process. My suggestion is implement a fully integrated HRIM better than HR2EZ and others to automate tasks like attendance and else. This will increase efficiency, reducing errors and improve employee experience. Secondly, improve communication channels. Some employees were unaware of certain HR policies or upcoming programs. My suggestions to introduce a better and efficiency centralized digital HR portal or internal apps where all staff can access policies, announcement, and facts in real time. And thirdly is enhance digital presence. My suggestion is to increase content marketing effects to promote Pernas initiative and SMEs its supports, so it helps improve visibility and attract young entrepreneurs alike with Pernas missions. Next is a challenge of stars execution. Firstly is limited practical experience. As a student entering the corporate world for the first time, I initially lack confidence and hands-on experience in executing real HR tasks like preparing reports or handling internal system. It took time to adapt to the professionals' standards and peace expected in the workplace. Secondly, adapting to workplace culture. Understanding and adapting to organizational culture, communication style, and hierarchy within Pernas was a new experience. At the beginning, I was hesitant to ask questions or clarify tasks with supervisors, which sometimes led to delays or misunderstandings. Thirdly is lack of interdepartmental exposure. Although I was placed in HR, I had limited structured exposure to other departments. This restricted my understanding of how HR collaborates with finance, marketing, and operations on larger scale. Okay, next is added value that I get during the internship. Firstly is exposure to organizational culture and ethics. Understood the importance of organizational values, workplace discipline, punctually and confidently. The impacted is cultivate a professional attitude, ethical responsibility, and respect for company policies, a quality of the dedicated employee. Secondly, understanding corporate expectations. I observe expectations placed on full-time staff, including KPIs, professionalism, and accountability. Thirdly, is improve professional communication skills. I learned how to write professional emails, attend meetings, and interact with supervisors and colleagues. I also can develop workplace ethic and interpersonal communication essential for collaboration and leadership roles.